Hi. For those of you who are planning on storming Area 51 September 20th, 2019 between 3 a.m. and 6 a.m., I have written down a few items that you are going to need to storm the Area 51 complex. You will need flashlights or headlamps, bolt cutters for the chain link fence that surrounds the area, gas masks to protect you from tear gas. I mean, you're not just going to walk in. I mean, they will defend the Area 51 area. Body armor to protect from rubber bullets and live ammunition if necessary. Helmets for head, gloves for your hands. Night vision scope or night vision goggles. If you invade the area at 3 a.m. or 4 a.m., it's still going to be pretty dark. So you're going to need to be able to see what's going on. Bottled water to protect against dehydration in the Nevada desert. A metal detector to sweep area for landmines. I mean, this is a highly classified area. You can't tell me it's just open desert with no protection. There's going to be landmines, there's going to be other items that you're going to need to make sure you don't accidentally walk into. A traditional compass is probably a good idea. A GPS device of some sort, whether it's on your phone or another kind of device. Snacks for emergency or military MRE. Scorpion killer. Machete or gun for killing rattlesnakes. A lock-picking set, because once you get there, I mean, who knows what you're going to have to do. And I mean, you may need to pick some locks or some other kind of situation may arise where you need the lock-picking set. Dog treats to divert attacking canine security. Mace, taser, or stun gun for personal security. Binoculars and a shovel. A crowbar for prying. For those of you who have this, a drone to see what's far ahead before you get there. And last but not least, a first aid kit would be a good idea. Good luck on storming Area 51. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.